What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. This box was sent once again by my good buddy Kyle Roberts. Kyle sent the Boost Blade Smoke and the Hinder Ranch Bowie, and I still have them because the knife that's in here is actually meant to be compared with the Ranch Bowie, and just it's another knife that I can look over. So I really appreciate that, Kyle. I'm really excited to get into this. I'm going to try and be careful. By the way, for those of you who want your own Mermaid Rainbow knife, you can follow the link in the description. There's an Amazon affiliate link. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this here real quick. Being very careful. Now, I think I remember, hopefully there's some labeling on here so that we know exactly what this is, but I think I remember the name of this. I am completely and totally unfamiliar with this brand, but I like to look at a lot of different types of knives so that I can expand my knowledge and my views and things. Well, there you go. It's made by Dark Timber. Oh boy, what do we have here? Let's get all this out. Very neatly packaged. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Kyle, you didn't say there was green in there, man. Okay. Just slowly. Oh. Wow. That is beautiful. Let me get something to wipe that off here real quick just so you guys can see. I believe this is called a 1911. Oh, it's a Dark Timber knife, 1911. I wonder if there's a card in here. This is a custom fixed blade. Beautiful ergonomics. Right off the bat, anybody wondering, is this shaped to your hand? Wow. Wonderful. Wonderful blade shape, absolutely. Check out that maker's mark right there. This is amazing. 1911 Dark Timber. I cannot remember the exact name. Really sweet knife. This is definitely something I'll be taking a look at and comparing with the Ranch Bowie. I believe, the way that Kyle explained it, it's in kind of the same, is it in the same neighborhood in terms of price? It's also in kind of the same neighborhood in terms of the size. Obviously, we have a very aggressive clip point style blade. Not quite as thick, but definitely something that you would use in the same circumstances or the same setting. So absolutely going to be an amazing comparison there. That's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Again, Kyle, thank you so much for allowing me to take a look at this along with your other amazing knives. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then go ahead and click that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.